Heater removal, the door must be removed and placed on a table or flat work area with the handle facing down. Begin removing the door gasket by lifting one corner of the gasket out of the groove. Carefully pull the gasket out of the groove in the plastic rail covers. Remove plastic cover from all door rails by inserting a narrow tool in between the plastic cover and the rail. Loosen the seal by running the tool along the door rail. Tap the edge of the plastic cover lip to loosen it from the door rail. Pry the plastic cover from the door rail until the entire end of the plastic rail is disengaged. Pull the plastic cover up and out of door rail grooves until the entire plastic cover is removed from the door rail, and repeat for all covers. Using a small flathead screwdriver, remove the access cover from the frame to access the wiring. Carefully pull out the wire terminals and disconnect the wire ends. Locate the heater wire in the groove of the door rail, and using a flathead screwdriver, pull the heater wire out from the door rail. Then manually remove the heater wire from all rails. Remove the new door heater wire from its packaging and check the packing slip to be sure that the heater wire matches the door in which it is to be installed. Insert the entire replacement heater wire into the groove inside the door rails, and arrange the wire assembly to the same configuration that it had prior to disassembly.